Guys, stay updated with the latest and greatest market trend and insight news with PU Prime's Market in Minutes. I'm not a professional advisor. Let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the website for PU Prime's Market in Minutes, and this is a high impact video series that is designed to deliver the latest market trends and insights quickly and effectively. Now, they are aiming to educate traders with the bite-sized yet substantial content, and the series regularly covers major financial developments that is ranging from the US economic data releases to currency to commodities and equity market reaction. So you can go ahead and check this one out, and of course, this is available with PU Prime. And actually, you know what, guys? This is what I really love about PU Prime, is that they are genuinely concerned with the welfare of all their users or their traders, right? They want to make sure that all the traders will be equipped with the latest and greatest news that they need for them to strategize and make sure that they will be able to utilize that and also apply that to their analysis. Now, the platform also leverages user-friendly visuals and expert commentary, making complex analysis accessible in just a few minutes. So traders would gain exposure to technical assessments that is powered by the tools such as the AutoChartist, which also identifies actionable chart calculators, chart patterns, and an economic calendar that is highlighting the pivotal macroeconomic events. So the trading calculators also will be able to refine position strategies and a currency heat map for that swift comparative assessment. So a recent addition, which is titled the CPI Day. Now, let me go ahead and show you one. So let's play this one as an example, guys, okay? It is very, very helpful. And let me go ahead and play this right now.
Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. We have prepared quite a few things to discuss.
This is the Chief Market Analyst.
This is the Markets in Minutes, brought to you by PU Prime.
There you go. Yes.
Also rose slightly to 46.8 points, but remained in the contraction territory. Most notably, the ISM manufacturing.
Now, in my honest opinion, guys, this is very, very helpful because, again, if you are doing your trades, you know for a fact that news and current affairs also affect them a lot. And this one would help you out. That would add to your research. And that's also the reason why I always tell you, do your own research and make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. And this one will definitely help you out in making informed decisions with all your trades. And guys, I would strongly encourage that you go ahead and check them out. Of course, check out PU Prime and all of its advantages with trading. Market in Minutes, guys. Stay ahead with quick bite-sized videos on the latest market trends and insights in minutes. So go ahead and check them out, guys. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.